Rates and mortgages just keep getting higher as the Fed has raised rates to try to curb inflation.
But while interest rates are rapidly rising for mortgages and loans, have you noticed that your savings account's interest rate is lagging? Team 12's Michael Doudna is verifying for us tonight.
Yeah, guys, the average mortgage rate as of June 28th sat around 6.5%, while the highest savings account rate sat around 1.65%. So why are these two rates so different? Let's verify. Our sources are data from the Federal Reserve and Michael Obanoff with Wild Wealth Management. So far in 2022, the Fed has raised rates to try and curb inflation. As a result, we've seen interest rates double or even triple in some cases, while savings rates have remained stagnant or trickled upwards. But even though they're both called interest rates, they are calculated differently and represent different risks.
The mortgage rate, generally speaking, is tied to 10-year treasury, and the savings yields, banks can get away with just going off of what the Fed does once a month.
See, mortgage rates have mirrored the 10-year treasury bonds for decades. These rates are based off time and risk. They are basically projections on where the market may be more than a decade from now. And because of that uncertainty, the rates are higher. On the other hand, banks usually base savings interest rates off of the short-term Fed rate. It doesn't have that same long-term risk baked into the numbers, and importantly, banks don't have to raise savings rates just because of the Fed.
I know people want to make money in their savings account. It's no different than that bank that you're trying to get that yield from. They want to make money on your money as well.
Now the good news here is that Obanoff does project savings rates will start to go up in the coming months, but likely not as fast as mortgage rates. So we can verify that mortgage and interest rates are based off different things and are not directly connected. Have something you want us to verify? Call, email, or text us. I'm Michael Doudna.